Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
Before we start today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe and become part of our Easy English Daily family. Your support helps us make more useful English lessons for you.
Today's episode is very special and super practical.
That's right. Today, we're going to practice a real English conversation at the airport.
By the end of this lesson, you'll feel much more confident speaking English when you travel.
We'll help you from the very beginning. Check-in, security, boarding, and even talking with flight attendants on the plane.
So grab your notebook, maybe a pen, and let's learn real English you can use in real life. Arriving at the airport. Jack, airports are so big. Every time I go to one, I feel a little confused.
I know that feeling very well. Airports can be stressful, especially if you don't travel often.
Sometimes I don't even know where to go first.
That's very normal. So let's start with the first step at the airport, finding the check-in counter.
Right, that's where you get your boarding pass and drop off your luggage.
Exactly. Now, imagine you just arrived at the airport and you don't know where your airline's check-in counter is.
What should I say in English?
You can politely ask someone working at the airport. Say, "Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for airline name?"
Okay, let me try. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for Cambodia Angkor Air?
Perfect, Olivia. That sounds very natural.
Thank you.
The airport staff might answer like this. It's on the left next to counter number 5. Or go straight ahead and turn right.
Then I should say, thank you very much.
Exactly. Polite English always makes a good impression. Jack, let's quickly review some important words.
Okay.
Check-in counter, the place where you get your boarding pass and drop off your luggage. Boarding pass, the paper or digital ticket you show before getting on the plane. Luggage, or baggage, your bags or suitcases. Counter, the desk where airport staff help passengers.
Check-in counter, boarding pass, luggage, counter. Easy to remember.
Now let's imagine you arrive at the check-in counter.
Okay, I have my passport and ticket ready.
Great. I'll be the airline staff and you'll be the passenger. Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning, here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay?
Your bag is 18 kilograms. That's fine. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is A12 and boarding starts at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
That conversation sounds very real and polite.
Yes, in English, politeness is very important. Repeat after me, everyone. Jack, good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Here you are.
Have a nice flight.
Have a nice flight.
Great job.
Okay, Jack, I checked in. What's next?
Next, you go to security check.
Ah, yes. They check my bag and I walk through the scanner.
Exactly. You might hear airport officers say, "Please put your bag on the conveyor belt. Take out your laptop and liquids. Empty your pockets. Step through the scanner, please."
That's a lot, but with practice, it's easy. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Very good question. The officer might say, "Yes, please," or "No, it's okay." Jack, security check, where bags and people are checked for safety. Carry-on bag, a small bag you take on the plane. Conveyor belt, the moving belt where bags go through the scanner. Metal detector, the gate you walk through to check for metal items.
Now I understand everything.
Perfect. You're ready to travel.
When I arrive at my desk, the first thing I do is turn on my computer.
Same here. When I get to the office, I say hello to my colleagues and turn on my computer.
What's the very first thing you check?
I check my calendar. I look at my meetings for the day.
That's smart. I check my schedule too, and then I check my emails.
There are always so many emails.
Always. I read the important ones first and reply to them.
Do you drink coffee at your desk?
Yes, my first cup of coffee is at my desk while I read emails. It's my morning ritual.
Ritual is a great word. A special habit you repeat every day. What's your work ritual, Olivia?
After checking emails, I make a to-do list.
I should do that. My list is only in my head.
A written list helps me focus. I write things like plan lessons, record videos, answer messages.
Very organized.
Then I teach my first lesson at 9:30.
You teach students from many countries, right?
Yes, students from all over the world. Their daily routines are very different.
That's interesting. My morning at work usually starts with a meeting around 10 o'clock.
What do you say in meetings?
I say, "Good morning, everyone." Then I say, "This is my progress," or "I need help with this."
Those are very useful work sentences.
After the meeting, I work on my computer and write reports.
That sounds quiet.
Sometimes too quiet, so I talk with my colleague Sam.
Small talk is important at work.
Yes, we talk about weekends or sports.
Then lunchtime comes.
I get hungry at 12:30, but I usually eat at 1,
Why so late?
because the cafeteria is very busy at 12:30.
That's smart. What do you usually eat?
A chicken sandwich and tomato soup.
That sounds good. I usually eat soup too.
Do you stop working during lunch?
Yes, I sit at the table and don't look at my computer.
I sometimes eat at my desk. Not a good habit.
Everyone needs a break.
Then lunch. After lunch, my energy is low.
The afternoon slump.
Exactly. I drink tea instead of coffee.
Green tea?
Yes, it's gentle.
My afternoon is more computer work, sometimes another meeting.
And you finish at 5.
Yes, I turn off my computer and finish work.
I finish around 5:30. I pack my bag, say goodbye to my colleagues, and leave the office.
Is the evening commute worse?
Much worse. More traffic.
What do you do in the car?
I listen to podcasts about history or science.
That's a great way to use your time.
When I get home, I open the door and say, "I'm home," even if no one is there.
That's cute.
Then I put my bag down, take off my shoes, and change into comfortable clothes.
The best feeling.
Then I think about dinner.
Do you check the refrigerator?
Yes, I open it and look. Do we have vegetables, rice?
And if not?
I make a shopping list on my phone.
Jack, sometimes I need to use the restroom on the plane, but I don't know how to ask politely.
No problem at all. It's very easy in English.
What can I say?
You can say, "Excuse me, where's the restroom?"
Or I can say, is the restroom at the front or the back?
Exactly. Both are very natural.
And what if someone is already inside?
The flight attendant might say, "Someone is inside."
Then I can reply, okay, I'll wait.
Perfect. That sounds very polite.
In-flight meal service. On long flights, they usually serve food,
Yes, and they often ask you to choose between 2 options.
like chicken or beef.
Exactly. Let's practice. Would you like chicken or beef?
Chicken, please.
Here you go. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water, please.
Sure. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Very natural. Always use please and thank you.
Arrival at the destination. Announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed. Welcome to Singapore.
Yay! We arrived safely.
Congratulations.
Are we finished now?
Almost. There are 2 more important steps: immigration and customs. Immigration.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you stay?
5 days.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Immigration.
Immigration. The place where officers check your passport and visa. Customs, where they check your bags when you enter a country. Purpose of your visit, the reason you are traveling, for example, vacation, business, or study.
That was very clear and simple.
Collecting your luggage. After immigration, I collect my luggage, right?
Yes. Follow the signs to baggage claim.
I always see signs that say baggage claim.
That's where you pick up your bags.
What if I can't find my bag?
Then go to the lost and found counter and say, "Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive. What should I do?"
That's very helpful. Leaving the airport. Okay, I have my luggage. Now I want to go to my hotel.
Great. You can go to the taxi stand or the information desk.
What should I say if I want a taxi?
You can say, "Excuse me, where can I get a taxi?" Or, "How much does it cost to go to the Grand Hotel?"
I feel confident now.
You should. You're ready to travel in English.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for... May I see your passport, please? Here you are. Excuse me, how do I get to gate A12? Can I have a latte, please? May I see your boarding pass? Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please? Where is the restroom? What's the purpose of your visit?
These phrases are simple, polite, and very useful.
Here's your challenge, everyone.
Record yourself speaking one of today's dialogues.
For example, the check-in conversation or talking with a flight attendant.
Practice every day and your English will sound more natural and confident.
That's it for today's episode on Easy English Daily.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us on Easy English Daily.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever traveled by plane? What was your favorite destination?
We love reading your stories.
Until next time, keep practicing English.
And safe travels. Bye-bye, everyone.